Welcome to the Meusburger technical tip. Today we present to you our cooled compact slider system 3380. It's the only compact slider unit with integrated cooling and a stroke length of up to 40 mm.
The compact slide units are available in 3 sizes. The sliders are hardened to approximately 52 Rockwell and DLC coated. The Cotters are available in 2 sizes, for the stroke lengths 20 and 40 mm, and also hardened to 60 Rockwell. The slides have integrated cooling with 2 connections at the rear end of the component. With the selected cooling medium, the heat is optimally dissipated from the compact slide. The efficient cooling reduces the cycle time for an optimized production and molding process. The E3380 Cooled compact slide must be adjusted as required before installation. To do this, cut the supplied standard fountains to length as required before installation. Then attach the fountain to the slide, and then mount the expander. The slider has built-in threads for the fittings. The cooling connections and connecting fittings are therefore freely selectable. The installation geometry is available as an installation space in the Meusburger catalogue. We recommend the E3380 slider stopper. Then mount the compact slider and the desired coolant hoses, and attach the Cotters to complete the assembly. The 3 different sizes of the compact slider are listed in the catalogue. After that, the simple generation of the 3D data in the online store or CD catalogue can be done. The data can then be exported ready for installation. The CAD shows the ready-to-install product and also the matching subtraction solid. This is intended for further processing on the machine.
The compact slide unit E3380 guarantees optimal cooling right up to the molding, increases the quality of the molded part, and reduces the cycle time.